Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today I'm bringing you some big Rollercoin news. Now this only dropped last night. I don't normally do a video on a Saturday, but I really wanted to bring this to you because there's some stuff on here that I think you really need to know. So let's get into it. Okay, so before we talk about the big news, I just want to give a bit of a shout out to my community. And also somebody you might be interested in. So anyway, one of our Discord members, because we've got a great community over at Discord. Everybody's always trying to help each other out. Absolutely brilliant. Love you guys. So anyway, Randy Buttonubs posted this. Now this is a spreadsheet that has actually been created by someone called Piero. Now if you're using Rollercoin and you're especially targeted, like playing games, doing all the tasks, and you want to see sort of what you're going to get from the achievements wall, in Rollercoin, well, that's what this is. This is a full detailed listing of everything that you need to do to claim everything on the achievements wall, so you can see all the games, the task wall, the miners, everything, what all the requirements are, and it's just absolutely brilliant. And like I say, it's massive thanks to Piero for creating it, and then big thanks to Randy Buttonubs for posting it. And that can be found in our Rollercoin chat on the Discord, and you can basically download that and then keep it on your computer so you know exactly sort of what is required to pick up all those rewards, which, like I say, I think is absolutely brilliant. Okay, so like I say, some big info dropped last night, and basically what it is Rollercoin released their roadmap for 2025. Now if we go on quickly bring that up, so as you can see, it's been separated in quarters, so that's every 3 months this stuff is going to be happening. So basically have we had the withdrawals yet? I think we've had the expedition speed up. We've had a lot of this. The achievements wall obviously been added. We've had a lot of this, but you got the mobile app MVP. Now there was a mobile app that was downloadable from the site. I was chatting to Jeff and also Danielle on the live stream that we did yesterday. Again, massive shout out to our live stream people. They were absolutely brilliant. The chat was really vibrant. Everybody was sort of pitching in, asking each other questions and stuff like that. It was a really great live stream. So obviously if you haven't attended one of those yet, if you want to just come along, chat about pretty much any of the programs that I promote on my channel, and it's just a really nice environment. Everyone's chatting and helping each other out. Fridays 1 p.m. UK time. Just pop down and it'd be really great to see you guys. So anyway, like I say, Jeff, NG and Danielle were asking about the mobile apps, and like I say, it used to be downloadable from the site. There was a button that said mobile app download. That seems to have been removed, but they seem to be reviving the mobile app once again. You can see here near the end of quarter 1, mobile app MVP. Then at the end of quarter 2, mobile app community launch. Then quarter 3 at the end, mobile app soft launch into Android. So obviously it will be downloadable from the Google Play Store at the end of quarter 3, or near the end of quarter 3. And then quarter 4, which was Danielle was interested in, which is the iOS version, and that is going to be launched onto the iOS market at the end of quarter 4. So basically the end of this year. So the other big thing that I wanted to point out, obviously you guys know that I made a video about CoinTap, and I did say that the integration between CoinTap and your regular Rollercoin account was going to be coming very soon. And you can see right at the beginning of quarter 2 which is only next month. You've got to realize this is in three monthly sort of sections, and April is the beginning of the fourth month. Rollercoin Tap Connect. So if you are not using Rollercoin Tap yet, get on it. I did a full video on this the other day. I will link that video at the end of this video. So if you go right the way to the end of this video, that video will be available for you to click on, and you can just get watching it, and you can download the app through that video. And like I say, obviously the whole video will explain how to use it, how to connect your Rollercoin account to the app. And then, like I say, the integration between the two will happen at basically April. That's what we're looking at April. And then we've got a Wheel of Fortune for Roller Tap coming in again later on in Q2. Leagues rewards. You've got so much stuff coming so we've got for those of you that do promote Rollercoin, we've got a bit of a system rework, first iteration. And then I think somewhere in, Q4, there's going to be a system rework again for the referral system, second iteration. So for those of you that promote Rollercoin like myself, they are changing. Now, this is something they have talked about for quite some time, that they keep talking about, saying that they're going to change or revise the referral system. So it should actually be better for people that are promoting the site. It still hasn't happened. I've probably heard them talking about this 3 or 4 times. But hopefully now they are showing a roadmap, which is absolutely fantastic. I don't think Rollercoin have really ever put out a roadmap, especially in the recent years. So for them to do this, I think it's absolutely brilliant. So we can keep track exactly what they're planning to do and see how things are progressing. Another big thing that is coming in Q2 is the new withdrawal system. And also, look, Q4, Litecoin withdrawals. Now, this is something that a lot of people have been waiting for absolutely months, if not years. And finally, Q4, Litecoin withdrawals are coming to Rollercoin. Now let's skim through this. Forge crafting, mobile app, community launch. We've done that. So, and for those of you guys that have got hamsters, obviously new hamsters come at the end of every quarter. We've got a wallet redesign, weekly withdrawals. So instead of, I think you can make a withdrawal every 24 hours. Now they're saying it's going to be weekly withdrawals. So now we can also see the durability. In the last video, I did mention this, how the fact that they're changing the way the miners work. Essentially, your miners are going to start to degrade, so they will no longer be running at 100% all of the time. Even if you are upgrading your energy and your batteries, they will degrade. Your miners will degrade, and that is going to start in Q3. Their durability and repair kits, and that is something that obviously they were talking about. And what I'm hoping is, like I said in that video where I talked about CoinTap, is that the special repair kits are going to be able to be purchased using the community coin, the RC coin from CoinTap. But obviously that's something we'll have to see. New coin mining and deposits, personal offers, tutorials. That's so basically the idea of that is, if you haven't played Rollercoin for a very, very long time, obviously things in Rollercoin have changed, and they're actually going to do some new tutorials and onboarding rework. So you can click on that if you've been out the loop for a while. Click on that when it comes about, and you can see how to basically get in that. Obviously you've got to wait till Q3 before that comes out. So if you decide to get back into the game before that, come along to the live stream. You know, I'm often or streaming, live streaming Rollercoin, or you can just simply post a video below any of the Rollercoin videos that I make. If you need to know, or you're not quite getting how the sort of Rollercoin has progressed and how things have changed, just post a question below the video or even below this video, and I will answer that as best I can, as fast as I can. So Q4, again, you're getting another new coin withdrawals, big hamster rework, so that'll be interesting. The big hamster rework, expedition rework, marketplace rework. Like I say, you've got the LTC withdrawals, interactive map plus UI redesigns, referral system we've gone through, in-game notifications, mobile apps launch thing. So like I say, there is a lot of stuff coming. But really the big things I think are going to be like the integration of CoinTap, the change in the referral systems for obviously a few of us, and things like where was it? Oh yeah, the durability and the repair kits coming in. And obviously the possibility or the ability to withdraw Litecoins. I think they are probably some of the biggest things on there that are going to make a real massive difference. But like I say, if you are not involved with CoinTap yet, click on the video that is probably on your screen right now, because I'm going to leave that there. If you can give us a massive thumbs up, please. It really does support the channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.